In the heart of a lush jungle, where wisdom whispers through the trees and the rivers carry secrets of ages past, there lived an elephant whose wisdom surpassed his mighty stature. Amidst the serene flow of a river, the elephant indulged in a refreshing bath, cleansing his soul as much as his body. Emerging from the waters, he trod confidently along a winding road, his majestic presence commanding respect from all creatures that crossed his path. Suddenly, as he neared a sturdy bridge, a peculiar sight caught his eye. A pig, caked in mud from snout to tail, waddled towards him with reckless abandon. The elephant, recognizing the filth-ridden creature, felt a surge of discomfort. Yet, instead of confronting the pig, he chose a path of unexpected humility. With grace unseen in his colossal frame, the elephant sidestepped the pig, allowing it to trudge past without a single murmur of discontent. The pig, oblivious to the true reason for the elephant's deference, swelled with false pride, boasting to fellow swine of his imagined victory over the mighty elephant. Curiosity piqued, some wise elephants dared to question their companion's seemingly submissive act. With a gentle smile, the elephant imparted a lesson that resonated through the jungle's vast expanse. He explained that his decision stemmed not from fear, but from a desire to preserve his purity and dignity. By choosing to avoid unnecessary conflict, the elephant upheld his own standards of cleanliness and integrity. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow upon the jungle, the elephant's tale echoed in the hearts of all who listened. It served as a timeless reminder that true strength lies not in the assertion of power, but in the wisdom to discern when to wield it.